Today I am not here to speak only about a book. I am here to speak about a belief. A belief that every child deserves an education that sees ability before disability, potential before limitation, and dignity before labels. Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan, Founder Director of Prakramika Vocational Institute, PVI. For over a decade, PVI has worked with one clear vision to design an inclusive education system where neurodivergent individuals are not just accommodated as an exception but educated as equals with structure, purpose, and a future in mind. From this vision was born INVAS, an integrated curriculum for special schools. INVAS has the curriculum, the broader topics that needs to be covered in the special school. Next, our idea was to merge both the special school and the regular schools, and from there, Unifying Pathways was born. So basically, Unifying Pathways is the merging of special schools and regular schools. We just want to have one umbrella of education, that's all. But the biggest challenge was there are no textbooks for the special schools, no prescribed curriculum, there is no prescribed structured education for the special schools. Now that's where Beyond Levels was born. So Beyond Levels is not just a single book, it is a 14-book academic series. It's a series spanning more than 12,000 pages, right from the age of 0 till 25 years. The full learning span is covered there, making it one of the most comprehensive curriculum frameworks ever created for special schools. Together, these books offer a uniform, measurable, and structured curriculum that integrates academics, functional skills, life skills, vocational readiness, and holistic development. Now, why is this important? Because for the first time, special schools can follow a common academic language, a measurable progression framework, and a clearly documented pathway. When special education becomes structured and outcome-oriented, we can begin to bridge regular and special schools. Then Unifying Pathways can become really successful, not through ideology, but through evidence and design. Beyond Labels is a first of its kind academic initiative. It has when to teach, what to teach, how to teach, with in detail the task analysis, exercises that makes the learning much easier. It has been co-authored by 8 of us, parents and teachers from PVI, people who have lived this journey alongside children every single day. The series carries forewords from eminent leaders and messages from our esteemed board members, all of whom believe deeply that special education deserves the same academic rigor, dignity, and future focus as any other system. Dear friends, this is not a commercial project. This is a movement to equip teachers with clarity and confidence, a movement to give parents direction and hope, and most importantly, a movement to give children an education that prepares them not just for school but for life, work, and independence. For those who wish to support this vision, details regarding donations are shared below this video. As a mark of transparency and gratitude, every supporter will be acknowledged with a dedicated half a page in Beyond Labels series, which comprises of almost 20 to 24 books. This acknowledgement will remain permanently recorded within this historic body of work. Your contribution is not merely support, it is a lasting endorsement of inclusive education and a systemic change. Today, I invite you to join this movement. If you believe inclusion must be designed, not improvised. If you believe special education deserves structure, measurement, and academic rigor, please join it. If you believe no child should be educated without a future in mind, then stand with us. Together, let us move beyond labels and build an education system where every child belongs, learns, and thrives. Thank you for believing. Thank you for standing with PVI, and thank you for becoming part of this legacy. Namaste.